Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to grant admin access in a Confluence space in just a few simple steps. Click the three-dot menu next to your space name and a Space Tools menu appears with several options. Click Space Settings to open the settings area for this space. The Mission Control page loads. Click the Users link to manage who has access to this space. The Users page displays showing everyone who currently has access and their role in a table. Find the user you want to promote, in this example chat notifications, and click their role dropdown, which currently shows collaborator, opening a menu of available permission levels. Click admin from the dropdown and the role updates immediately, confirmed by an access updated notification at the top of the screen. If you don't see the users option in your space settings, you might not have admin permissions yourself. Only space admins can grant admin access to others. You can change someone's role at any time by going back to this same users page and selecting a different level from their dropdown. The admin role gives full control over the space, including deleting it, so only grant it to people you trust completely. If you need to remove admin access later, just set their role back to collaborator or viewer. And that's how to grant admin access in a Confluence space. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.